Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Global Income Hub. Most people are still Googling how to make money online, while a small group of people, right now, in 2026, are quietly banking $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month using tools that are completely free. And I'm not talking about drop shipping. I'm not talking about crypto. I'm talking about AI and a dead simple system that anyone can copy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make your first $6,000 using AI broken into 3 real methods that actually work right now. No fluff, no courses to buy. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, quick context. I'm going to show you 3 income streams. Each one has a realistic target. Together, they add up to $6,000. Here's the breakdown. Method 1, AI freelance writing and content, what $500. Method 2, AI automation services for small businesses, $2,500. Method 3, AI digital products, once, sell forever, $2,000. You don't need to do all 3, but I want you to see the full picture first. Then pick the one that fits your life. Let's start with Method 1. Method 1, AI freelance writing and content. Target earnings, $2,500. The fastest way to make money with AI right now is services. Specifically, content. Every business on earth needs blog posts, newsletters, social captions, ad copy, product descriptions. Most business owners hate writing. They're not good at it, and they don't have time. That's where you come in. Here's the play. You use Claude or ChatGPT to generate first drafts. You clean them up, add a human voice, check the facts, tighten the structure, then you deliver a polished final product. You're not cheating. You're offering a faster, more affordable service. That's just a better business. Where to get clients? Upwork and Fiverr to start? Cold DMs to local businesses or founders on LinkedIn. Facebook groups for small business owners. What to charge? Beginners, $75, $150 per article. After 5 reviews, $200, $350 per article. Monthly retainers, $800, $500 month per client. To hit $2,500, that's just 10 articles at $150 each. 1 or 2 clients, 2 weeks of part-time work. The secret weapon, use AI not just to write, but to research, outline, and handle revisions in 10 minutes. What takes most writers 3 hours takes you 45 minutes. That's your edge. Method 2, AI automation services for small businesses. Target earnings, $12,500. Okay, this one is where things get exciting, and it's massively underused. Small businesses are drowning in repetitive tasks, booking appointments, answering the same customer questions, following up on leads, sending invoices. In 2026, you can automate most of this using tools like Make, Zapier, or N8N, connected to AI, and businesses will pay you $500 to $2,000 to set it up for them. Here's what an AI automation package looks like. An AI chatbot on their website that answers FAQs. Auto follow-up emails after someone fills out a contact form. Automated appointment reminders. Weekly AI written social posts scheduled automatically. You don't need to be a developer. These tools are drag and drop. There are YouTube tutorials for every single workflow. How to sell it. Go local. Find a dentist, a real estate agent, a gym, a salon. Walk in or send a simple email. Hey, I help small businesses save 5 to 10 hours a week using AI automation. I'd love to show you a quick demo. No cost to chat. Pricing model. Setup fee, $500, $2,500, one time. Monthly maintenance, $200, $400. To hit $2,500, that's 2 clients, 2 setups. Totally doable in your first 30 days if you're consistent. Pro tip, niche down. Become the AI automation guy for chiropractors, or the AI assistant for real estate agents. Specificity makes you 10x easier to refer. Method 3, AI digital products. Target earnings, $2,000. This last method takes a little longer to get started, but once it's live, it makes money while you sleep. Digital products, specifically AI-assisted ones. Here's what's selling right now in 2026. Prompt packs, curated prompts for specific niches, real estate agents, coaches, teachers. Sell for $9.29. AI-powered templates, Notion dashboards, business plan generators, content calendars. Sell for $19.97, mini guides or ebooks. The AI Toolkit for Freelancers, $15.49. AI Workflow Bundles, how I run my entire business with AI. Here's every tool. Prompt and template I use, $47.97. You create these once. You list them on Gumroad, Etsy Digital, or PayHip. Then you drive traffic through TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, or Twitter X. The math to $2,000. Sell a $20 prompt pack, 69 sales. Sell a $40 bundle, 41 sales. Sell a $90 course or template, 21 sales. These feel like big numbers until you realize one viral short can bring 10,000 people to your page. The key, create the product around a specific pain point for a specific person. Not AI prompts, but AI prompts for Airbnb hosts to write their listings and guest messages in 5 minutes. That's a product people search for. So here's the full picture again. Method. Effort level. Time to first to target. AI freelance writing. Low. 1-2 weeks. Co 500. AI automation services. Medium. 2-4 weeks. $2,500. AI digital products. Medium. 4-8 weeks. $2,000. Total, $6,000. Now, I want to be honest with you. This isn't passive income from day one. This is real work, but it's smart work. You're using AI as leverage. You're doing in 2 hours what used to take 10. And here's the most important thing I'll say in this video. Don't wait until you're ready. Pick one method. Start ugly. Get one client, make one product, land one gig. Learning only happens by doing. If this video helped you, drop a comment below telling me which method you're going to try first. I read every single one. If you want me to go deeper on any of these, full tutorials, tool breakdowns, real client scripts, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel Global Income. Hub and hit the bell. I'm posting every week. And if you know someone who's trying to make money online and keeps getting lost in the noise, send them this video. It might be the one that actually changes something for them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.